Hello everyone, myself Ansari Safia from Physics Department, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now this presentation is for class SYBSc Physics first, section first. Now the topic is division of a complex number. Now dear student, we know the complex number z is equal to x plus iy, where x is real part and iy is imaginary part. Now we have already obtained addition, subtraction and multiplication of two complex numbers. Now today we have to study division of two complex numbers. Now consider two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. These two complex numbers are represented by the points P and Q on the Argand diagram. Now figure shows point P having complex number Z1. Point Q represents complex number Z2. Now Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1. In polar form, it is equal to r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Now the exponential form of complex number Z1 is equal to r1 e raised to I theta 1. Similarly, Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. Now in polar form, it is equal to r cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. The exponential form is r2 e raised to I theta 2. Now their quotient, that means Z1 by Z2 is equal to r1 e raised to I theta 1 divided by r2 e raised to I theta 2 equal to r1 by r2 into e raised to I theta 1 minus theta 2. So it is also a complex number. Its real part is r1 by r2 and imaginary part is e raised to I theta 1 minus theta 2. Thus the complex number Z1 by Z2 is represented by the point R shown in figure, which has polar coordinates r1 divided by r2 and theta 1 minus theta 2. Now OR is drawn in such a way that OR is equal to OP divided by OQ and it makes an angle theta 1 minus theta 2 with the axis of real. So we see that quotient of or division of two complex numbers is also a complex number having the real part r1 by r2 and imaginary part e raised to I theta 1 minus theta 2.